Stop. Thank you. Next time. Stay in your lane, lady. Stay in your fucking lane. Kindness matters. Stay in your lane! Yeah, look up at the fucking traffic, woman.
15 minutes later.
Let's see if she's on the phone. Jesus! You fucking idiot again. Should have honked at her again. GL is her license plate. Be on the lookout for. Don't cut him off. Don't cut him off. Not cut him off. We're gonna exit dive instead. Oh, okay, yeah, exit dive. Cut off the Prius. Oh, hi, how you doing? Tough guy, asshole, too close, fuckface. Right turn dive. Jesus, dude. Stay on the sidewalk, get back ahead. Go. Go. Wake up, go. No, I'm not making it. You fucking idiot. Dickhead. What the hell is this? Okay. Did you stop? You did not stop. Thank you. Ugh. Thank you. It's the middle of the day. Get shot off your fucking high beams. Toyotard. Toyotard. Good stuff. Okay. Are you going to pass or what? You're a fuckbag, dude. Flip him off. Jesus Christ, you almost caused a fucking accident. Oh, he has a Harley. Wow. He's got his Harley sticker and everything. Hi, it's a single lane. Thank you, don't do that. Or you. What? We're below the speed limit already, don't slow down, okay? Thank you. Jeez! Fucking idiot. Close enough, old man. Thank you. Yep. Next dive. What the hell are you doing back there? Exit dive. Move over. Slow down, move over. Slow down, move over. Slow down, move over. Wake up, Sneezy. Come on. Should have moved over. Stop. Stop. You didn't stop. You're in 2 lanes. Great mom. Great moms don't run the stoplights. Stop signs. Be sure to ignore the stop sign. Thank you. Thank you too. Jag jerk. Cut off. Probably didn't stop. Cut off. Yep, there's a cut off. What are you doing, UX diving? Oh, UX dope. You just cut off. Kind of a nice dive, but it's cut off. What do you do? But great merge there. Great merge. Great pack of heads.